In this video, we will guide you step by step through assembling your garden arbour from our Ruby Ready range, making the process simple and straightforward. Start by placing the ring beam into the notched post and drill 2 pilot holes, then screw in 2 80mm screws to secure them. Repeat this on the other side. Lay opposing sides posts on top for easy alignment. Drill 2 pilot holes and screw in, again, 2 80mm screws, making sure to match the opposing side. Now, stand the arbour posts upright. Align rafters with the markings shown, then use a rubber mallet to attach them. Drill pilot holes, then screw in 1 100mm screw to secure the first rafter to the ring beam. Use a level and tape measure to ensure posts are aligned correctly. Hammer down the remaining rafters, aligning with the markings we provide for you. Now, screw in the knee braces with 2 100mm screws at the lower and higher end. Stand the trellis up and hammer it into the side of the arbour with a rubber mallet. Now screw it in at the top, middle and bottom with 80mm screws. Repeat this on the other side. And there you have it, your Ruby Arbour, fully installed and ready to enjoy. Need a hand or have any questions? Just get in touch, we're here to help.